Good morning everyone. The part 5 of the chapter amine is the chemical reaction of benzene diazonium chloride or the diazonium salt. The reaction of the diazonium salt can be broadly divided into two categories. The first category is that in which the reactions involving displacement of nitrogen, and in the second category reaction involving retention of the diazo group. And we have already discussed that the diazo group means N2 group stand for the diazo group. So the first part is reaction. This is the first part, reaction involving displacement of nitrogen. This is the first part. This is the first type of the reaction involving displacement of the nitrogen. The diazonium group, the diazonium group being a very good leaving group. Diazonium group is a very good leaving group. It's substituted by other group such as Cl negative, Br negative, cyano group, hydroxyl group, which displaces nitrogen from the aromatic ring, and the nitrogen formed escapes from the reaction mixture as a gas. When the nitrogen is displaced by the Cl negative, Br negative, Cn negative or OH group, the nitrogen is leaving in the form of a gas. So here we have taken the first example under the category reaction involving the displacement of nitro group, and that is replacement. This is called this first type is called the replacement by halide and cyanide ion. Replacement by halide and cyanide ion. Here I have used the word halide. Halide means either with the Cl or either with the Br, because both belongs to the halogen family. So the Cl negative or Br negative, or if we are talking about the cyano, it means the Cn negative nucleophiles can easily be introduced in the benzene ring in the presence of copper ion, and this reaction is called Sandmeyer reaction. This reaction is called Sandmeyer reaction. So the replacement of the nitrogen either by the Cl, either by the Br or by the Cn, these are the nucleophiles, is from the benzene ring is called the Sandmeyer reaction. So for example, if we have Ar N2X, now here I have used the word Ar. So in place of Ar, we can also use the benzene ring. This is the benzene ring. Ar means aryl group. Ar stand for the aryl group. Here we already introduced a C6H5, or we can also make a benzene ring. So ArN2X, that is C6H5N2X stand for either for the Cl, Br, anything else. So this is the diazonium salt. This one is the diazonium salt. When this diazonium salt, here the replacement takes place in presence of CuCl2 oblique HCl. In second case, Cu2 Br2 and HBr. In third case, CuCN oblique KCN. This is copper cyanide or the potassium cyanide. cuprous chloride, cuprous bromide, this is the hydrochloric acid, this is the hydrogen bromide, this is the potassium cyanide. Now if the reactions are like this, these are the intermediate. Here I have already told you the reactions take place in presence of the copper. So all the three reactions take place in presence of the copper, and this reaction is known as the Sandmeyer reaction. So in the first case, here the replacement of the nitrogen takes place and we get, that is Ar. Here we introduce the Cl, that is Cl, plus N2 is liberated in the form of a gas. Here the result is ArBr plus N2 is liberated in the form of a gas. Again here ArCN, the cyano group is easily attached to the Ar, means the benzene rings, plus nitrogen is liberated from here. So the chlorine or the bromine can also be introduced in the benzene ring by treating the disonium salt solution with corresponding halogen acids in presence of copper powder. This is the second reaction. This is the statement for the second reaction. For example, we have ArN2X. This is the formula for the disonium salt. So if the reactions take place in presence of halogen acid, so here if the halogen acid is HCl and it takes place in presence of copper, here if the halogen acid is HBr and it takes in presence of copper, so we also get here, that is ArCl plus N2 plus CuX. Again here Ar, this is Br plus N2 plus CuX. Now the replacement of the nitrogen takes place by the two-way, or we can say that the addition of the Cl or the Br, here again the Cl and the Br can take place, happen with the help, either with the help of the cuprous chloride or either with the help of the copper powder. Here we have taken the halogen acids. These are the halogen acid. Here the halogen acid is HCl and here the halogen acid is HBr. But this is referred as, this is a naming reaction and it is called Gattermann reaction. This is Gattermann reaction and this is Sandmeyer reaction. In both the cases, the benzene ring, from the benzene ring, N2 is replaced here with the Cl, here with the Cl, here with the Br and here with the Br. But here we get one more product, that is CuX, that is cuprous, maybe chloride, maybe bromide, anything else, and here also that is cuprous, maybe Br, maybe Cl, anything else. The yield of the Sandmeyer reaction is found to be better than the Gattermann reaction. From this method, when we get ArCl, so it is found to be in a good amount in comparison to by the Gattermann reaction. Now the next reaction is called replacement. This is called replacement by iodide ion. Iodine is not easily introduced into the benzene ring directly, but when the disonium salt solution is treated with potassium iodide, that is with the Ki, iodobenzene is formed. So for example, this is the benzene ring, that is N2Cl. So it is known as the benzene disonium chloride when it is treated with potassium iodide, and when we warm the mixture, we get, this is I, that is iodobenzene plus N2 plus KCl, and this is iodobenzene. So this is the replacement of the iodide ion. Now the next one is, that is called the replacement by fluorine or the replacement by fluoride ion. that is called replacement by fluoride. Replacement by fluoride ion. So when arene disonium chloride is treated with fluoroboric acid, the formula for the fluoroboric acid is HbF4. This is the formula for the fluoroboric acid. When arene disonium chloride is treated with the fluoroboric acid, arene disonium fluoroborate is precipitated. Arene disonium fluoroborate is precipitated, which on heating decomposes to yield aryl fluoride. Aryl fluoride means the fluorine is attached with the benzene ring, and that is known as the replacement by the fluorine ion or the fluoride ion. And this is a particular type of a reaction. This is a naming reaction, and it is named as Balch-Schiemann reaction. Replacement by fluoride ion, it is a naming reaction. It is a particular reaction that is known as the Balch-Schiemann reaction. And for that, this reaction, the chemical reaction is that this is the N2Cl. This is the benzene disonium chloride. When HbF4 is that is the fluoroboric acid is react with the benzene disonium chloride, so minus HCl, so we get that is N2BF4. N2BF4. Here HCl is removed from this. This is the H and this one is the Cl. So it is removed in the form of the HCl, that is the disonium fluoroborate. Its name is disonium fluoroborate. Again, when we heat the mixture, we get, this is the fluorobenzene plus BF3 plus N2. This is the aryl fluoride, or this is the fluorobenzene. So this is the replacement by the fluoride ion, and it is also known as the Balch-Schiemann reaction. Now the next one is replacement by, this is the fourth one is replacement by hydroxyl group. Here the N2 is replaced by the OH group. When the aqueous solution of benzene disonium chloride, this is the benzene disonium chloride. When the aqueous solution of benzene disonium chloride, that is H2O stand for the aqueous, when we warm this mixture, we get, this one is the benzene ring, there is OH, we get phenol as a product plus N2 plus HCl. So this is the replacement by the hydroxyl group, and with this replacement we get the phenol as a result. Now the fifth one is the replacement, that is called replacement by NO2 stand for the nitro group. Replacement by the nitro group when disonium fluoroborate is heated with aqueous sodium nitrite, that is NaNO2, aqueous sodium nitrite solution in the presence of copper, the disonium group is replaced by NO2 group. The disonium group, that is the N2 group, is replaced by NO2 group. And for that, the reaction is, first of all, we have this one, that is N2Cl. This is the benzene disonium chloride. So when benzene disonium chloride is react with HbF4, that is the fluoroboric acid, we get N2BF4. That is the disonium fluoroborate. This is the disonium fluoroborate. When we treated the benzene disonium fluoroborate with the NaNO2, that is the sodium nitrite, in presence of copper, and when we heat the mixture, this sign stands for the heating, we get this one, benzene ring. Here NO2, the diazo group, that is the N2 group, is replaced by the nitro group, that is NO2 plus N2 plus NaBF4. That is the sodium fluoroborate, and this one is the nitrobenzene. So this is the replacement of diazo group by the NO2 group. Now the next is reaction involving retention of diazo group, and this is well popularly known as the coupling reaction, and coupling reaction are also known as the formation of azo dyes. Disonium salt react with reactive compounds such as phenols, aromatic amines in ice cold solution to form bright colored dyes, and these dyes are known as the azo dyes, and the reaction is known as the coupling reaction. So in the coupling reaction we form dyes, bright color dyes. So under this category, that is under the category of the coupling reaction, the first point is coupling. This is called coupling with phenols. Coupling with phenols. Coupling with phenols is carried in weakly alkaline medium. Weakly alkaline medium means here the pH is from 9 to 10, and for that the reaction is, for example, we have benzene disonium chloride, that is N2Cl. This is the benzene disonium chloride. When the benzene disonium chloride is react with phenol, this is when the benzene ring contain the OH group, this is known as the phenol. Here the medium is alkaline. Here we can also mention the pH, that is from 9 to 10. This is the range of the pH for the coupling with the phenol reaction. So here we get, now the coupling takes place, matlab reaction takes place or the addition takes place, and we get, this is the benzene ring. Now here N double bond N is not replaced and N2 is not replaced, because we are studied under the heading that reaction involving retention of diazo group, means diazo group is retained here. So N2 is not, diazo means N2 group, N2. So N2 is already always present here. So this is the benzene ring. Here OH plus HCl. The Cl is from here and H from here. It forms HCl, and this is a type of a dye. It is called, it is a orange dye. It is the orange dye, and its name is para hydroxyazobenzene. This dye is known as para hydroxyazobenzene, and it is a type of a orange dye which is formed by the coupling reaction or the coupling reaction of benzene disonium chloride with the phenol. Now the second type of the coupling reaction is coupling with amines. Now here the reaction takes place in between the benzene disonium chloride and the amines. So the aromatic amine, here we use the aromatic amine. The reaction takes place in presence of, this one is the aromatic compound. So the reaction takes place with the aromatic amine. The aromatic amines couple with disonium salt in weakly acidic medium. Here the medium is acidic. In this case the medium is alkaline. We have mentioned here it is the alkaline medium, but here in this case the medium is acidic. Acidic means here the pH is in between the 4 to 5. It forms azo dye. Now for that, this is N2Cl, that is this one is the benzene disonium chloride plus H2N. This one is the benzene ring, and we all know very well when the benzene ring contains NH2 group, this is known as the aniline. Now the reaction takes place in the acidic medium. Here the pH is 4 to 5. This is the range for the pH. The range for the pH is 4 to 5. Now here we get, this is the, again this is the type of the reaction in which the retention of the azo group or retention of the nitrogen takes place. So this is the benzene ring. Here N double bond N. This is NH2. This is the benzene ring. Again we get the HCl. This is again a type of a dye. This is a bright color dye. This is a yellow dye. This is a yellow dye, and it is para amino azo benzene. Para amino azo benzene, and this one is the para hydroxy azo benzene. So these two are the type of the coupling reaction where the retention of the diazo group takes place, and the coupling reaction is used to prepare the bright colored dye. Now the last topic of this chapter is the importance of disonium salt in the synthesis of aromatic compound, because the disonium salt are used for the synthesis of various aromatic compound because these are highly reactive. So some conversions are there which are used as the importance of the disonium salt. So the first is, for example, if we want to convert aniline to benzoic acid. Aniline to benzoic acid. So we know very well this is the aniline NH2. Now first of all we have to convert the aniline to the benzene disonium chloride, and that process is known as the diazotization reaction. With the help of the diazotization reaction, which we have already discussed in the preparation of the benzene disonium chloride, we get N2Cl. This one is the benzene disonium chloride. Then in presence of CuCN, when we heat the mixture, we get, this one is the cyanobenzene. Now the hydrolysis takes place in presence of mineral acid. We get COOH, and this one is the benzoic acid. Now here this is the aniline, this is the benzene disonium chloride, this is the cyanobenzene, and at last we get the benzoic acid. So this is one of the importance of the disonium salt, and its importance is due to its synthetic mode or synthesis mode, because it is used for the synthesis of various aromatic compound. And second is aniline to iodobenzene. So first of all aniline, that is NH2, again the diazotization process takes place. We get N2Cl, benzene disonium chloride. It is treated with potassium iodide. We get iodobenzene. Aniline, benzene disonium chloride. This one is the iodobenzene. Next, third one is aniline to benzonitrile. Now the benzonitrile is also known as cyanobenzene. Benzonitrile is also known as the cyanobenzene. Again we have the NH2 is the aniline, diazotization process takes place, we get N2Cl. This one is the benzene diazonium chloride. CuCN, cuprous cyanide. Here Cn. This is the benzonitrile, or also known as the cyanobenzene.